Hi, fans of high-quality entertainment. So I've been a big fan of the Claypool Lennon Delirium for a few years. This is their first album, Monolith of Phobos. And their second album, South of Reality. And so, South of Reality came out in 2019. So over 5 years ago. I did some math in my head. And I follow Sean on X, Twitter. And I was kind of hoping, I don't know. I just thought maybe they weren't going to do any more albums, right? Sean did Asterisms a couple of years ago, which is excellent. I've got 2 more of his solo albums here, which are also excellent. But I don't know. For whatever reason, I didn't think there would be a third album. But there is, and here it is. I just received it in the mail. It's a little slow coming because I'm in Canada. And I will be doing a review for the album in a few days. Give it a few listens. So let's open this. And even though it's on streaming services, I've only heard, I forget which song it was, but I've only heard one of the songs. I don't like, if I know I'm going to buy an album, I don't like listening to it on Spotify. Same with Paul McCartney's new album. I haven't heard that Ringo and Paul duet yet. That rhymed. So I'm very carefully opening this. So the hype sticker says, The Great Parrot-Ox and the Golden Egg of Empathy. That's the album title. Compact Disc Edition. The third collaboration album from Les Claypool and Sean Ono Lennon in an elaborate concept record reflecting on mortality, the warnings of AI, and the slippery slope of optimization without empathy. 14 new songs and a 24-page original comic book. Now, I'll be careful. I want to keep the hype sticker. There it is there. Probably hard to see there, but very cool. Thumbnail. It's a very cool cover. And they are on tour. I believe they just started their tour in the States. And I'm hoping at some point they play in Toronto, because I would love to see them live. And possibly Sean could get my autograph. So here we go. It's a real comic. So cool. I won't read it all now. If you haven't heard the Claypool Lennon Delirium, you need to. They are just... The first 2 albums are... I don't even know... I love both albums, so it's kind of hard to... Which is my favorite. If I had to choose... I can't. Go here. What's that? interview Sean Lennon on my channel. Yeah. All Sean has to do is send me a message on X. I'll be there to promote him anytime. So the comic book and album art by Rich Ragsdale. Okay, very cool. Story and art direction by Les Claypool and Sean Lennon. It comes with a CD. I didn't know that. That's cool. Here we go. It's okay. Nobody's hurt. That. So I'm looking forward to hearing this tonight. And like I said, I'm going to play it at least 3 times. I don't want to rush my review. I want to actually know the songs. And that is it. The Great Parrot-Ox. Oh, did you hear the latest Claypool Lennon Delirium album? No, what's it called? The Great Parrot-Ox and the Golden Egg of Empathy. It's so easy to remember. But, yeah. Very cool. So check it out on streaming services and then go out and buy this, because I know, like I said, I've only heard the one song and it was awesome. So really looking forward to hearing the whole thing. That is it. Stay tuned for a review in a few days. Goodbye. Have a great day.